Hi guys, welcome back. I have another very quick, or a quick video for you today. This is going to be a super simple, like I say, quick Christmas card. Like easiest thing ever. So I have my stamps ready. I have some real red Stampin' Up! Ink, a card base, 8.5 by 5.5, just a plain white one. I have the Mama Elephant favour bag, and I use the Snow Deer for some of the elements. So I've got the reindeer antlers, I've got a nose, and I've got some eyes. You'll see that in a second, but that's all I cut. The nose I cut 3 times because we're making Rudolph, of course. So I have that. I also have the Simon Says stamp. I think this was December 21 card kit, and this is the Santa's Helpers stamp set, and that's where the sentiment's coming from. And then I also have a couple of Nouveau products. I have some clear glaze, the shimmer pen, and a white, this isn't Nouveau, this is a Sakura white gel pen, just for some detail afterwards. So you move this out the way. So to start with, we're going to fold our card in half. I've already pre-scored it because this is quite thick cardstock. And we'll just use my bone folder. So simple card base. And then we have the pieces of Rudolph. So I have his antlers. So I think I'm actually going to start with his eyes. So I have one that's like it's closed and one that's open. So I also want to temporarily just hold my card down. Just so it doesn't open. You can open it up, but because it's a white card base, it might be difficult to see where that edge is. It's just so you can kind of get it in the middle. So I think, like I say, I'm going to start with his eyes. And we're just going to kind of wing it a bit. In fact, that needs to be higher, doesn't it? Just a guide for where my nose is. That looks pretty good. So we're going to get to gluing. So let's get a bit of glue on here, if I can. And then what I would say is you want to make sure that the bottom, the closed eye is sort of lower to where this is. So don't put it in the middle, because if you've got eyes closed, they're going to be a little lower. If that makes any sense. little face. And the nose. Then our antlers. This is very easy, very, very easy. And makes for a very, very quick, cute card. You could mass produce this fairly simply, I think. And just get the antlers where you think they look right on your little reindeer, on your Rudolph. And then for the nose, I've actually cut extra pieces so we can layer up and make it a bit more dimensional. Because, well, it's Rudolph. Right. That is all the sticking. And how easy was that? Simple, right? Looking at him, I don't know if he's totally in the middle, but he still looks cute. You can always trim the edge of your card, make it a slightly narrower card if you find you're not quite in the center, which I don't think I am, but anyway. And then I'm going to take my ink and just do a very simple Merry Christmas. On the bottom, like so. And I might trim the card. I can see the card's not totally lined up anyway, so I may trim that down a little just to get it somewhat even. Right, so the only other thing we need to do is add some shimmer, so I'm going to put that on his nose. While that's drying, I'm going to take my white gel pen and just add a bit of detail to, and actually I don't like the way it's kind of splodging a bit, so I might change that afterwards. I just want to add a little detail to its eye, or do I? And now that that's dry, because it doesn't take very long, I'm going to cover it with some Nouveau Crystal Glaze. And when that dries, it will be very, very shiny. So there you go, guys. There's an idea for a very quick, simple card. Like I say, I'm going to trim that down. I may change the sentiment or put a strip across there just because it looks a little off. So, but hey, it's Christmas. To counterbalance that, I could put like a little bauble or something down here, as if it's hanging from him. But there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope this was a quick, nice, little quick idea for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.